There's Eli. His video debut. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Yeah? You getting hungry? Okay, let's look at your big fingers. Say, Grandma, look at these. He won't let me in there though. They're just very long. They're very cute. Open up, buddy. Your tiny little ears. Wispy hair. Should we show Grandma your little legs? He might be doing some business right now, which is why he's got a funny look on his face. Okay, let's show Grandma your legs. Oh, bless you. Again. Here's our foot. Look at that skinny little leg. Look at it. We almost have double chin. Eli's already up to 9 pounds and 5 ounces. Look at that chin. Look at that chin. Say hi, buddy. Do 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 do. Hi, sweetie. Okay, say goodbye.